What's up, you friggin' geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to determine if a number is a solution to an equation. So, finding the solution to an equation, that's literally like finding the missing piece to a puzzle. So how do you know if you found the right missing puzzle piece? Well, when you plug that puzzle piece in, it's going to fit perfectly, and both sides of an equation are going to equal each other. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. So let's say I gave you this problem. X plus 2 is equal to 7. And then I told you that x is equal to 4. Okay, so here I'm telling you what puzzle piece you're going to try. So I'm telling you you're going to plug in a 4 for x right here. Okay, so let's plug in a 4. If I put in a 4 here, and we still have the rest of our equation, so this plus 2 equals 7. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, so I plugged in my puzzle piece. Now I need to see if it fits. Okay, so on this left side, 4 plus 2, that's equal to 6. And then we have our equal sign, and then we have a 7 on the right side. So, does 6 equal 7? Of course not, right? These are two completely different numbers. So that means this puzzle piece doesn't fit, okay? X is equal to 4 is not a solution. It is not a puzzle piece that fits. Okay, but let me give you another puzzle piece that we can try. What if I gave you x is equal to 5 this time? Okay, so 5 is the puzzle piece I'm going to give you in this case. And we're going to stick with this same original problem. So x plus 2 is equal to 7. And now I'm saying 5 is the missing puzzle piece. So I'm going to plug in a 5 for x, and then I have the rest of my problem here, right? Plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, now the left side. 5 plus 2, what does that reduce down to? 5 plus 2 is 7, right? And then we have our equal sign, and then we have this 7. So does 7 equal 7? Well, of course it does, right? So that means x is equal to 5 is a solution to this equation. Why is it a solution? Because it fits perfectly, and it gives us a balanced equation, right? Because we got 7 is equal to 7. Okay, so let me give you a few more examples. Okay, what if I wrote down 6x minus 17 is equal to 16? And I want to know if x is equal to 5 is a solution to this equation. So again, this is the puzzle piece that I want to plug into this equation, and I want to see if it fits perfectly. So I'm going to have 6 times 5, and then the rest of my equation I have minus 17 is equal to 16. Okay, so I plugged in the piece. Now I need to simplify this. So 6 times 5, that's 30. Then minus 17 is equal to 16. And then 30 minus 17, that's equal to 13. Okay, so I have 13 is equal to 16. So as you can see, this is imbalanced, right? We got two different numbers, 13 and 16. So x is equal to 5 is not a solution. Okay, let's try a couple more. This time we're going to do 6y minus 4 is equal to 5y minus 2. And I want to know if y is equal to 2 is a solution to this equation. Okay, so again, this is the puzzle piece I'm giving you, and I need to plug it into my equation to see if it fits. Okay, so wherever I see a y, I'm going to plug in a 2. Okay, so I'm going to plug in a 2 here, and I'm going to plug in a 2 here. So I'm going to have 6 times 2 minus 4 is equal to 5 times 2 minus 2. All right, I plugged it in. Now let's simplify this and see if it fits. So 6 times 2, that's equal to 12, and then I have this minus 4 here. Then that's equal to 5 times 2, which is 10, and then I have this minus 2 right here. Okay, now on the left side of the equation, we have 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. We have our equal sign. And then on the right side of the equation, we have 10 minus 2, which is also 8. Okay, so here we have 8 is equal to 8, which is a true statement, right? So this is a balanced equation. So that means y is equal to 2 is a solution. Okay, one last example. Okay, so if we had 5r minus 3 is equal to 4r plus 5. And I told you r is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the puzzle piece I'm giving you, so I'm going to plug it in and see if it fits. So I'm going to plug in a 4 here and here. Okay, so 5 times 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 times 4 plus 5. Okay, and I can keep simplifying this. So 5 times 4, that's 20, and then I have minus 3 right here. And this is equal to 4 times 4 right there, which is equal to 16, and then I have plus 5. Okay, last step, 20 minus 3, that's equal to 17. I have my equal sign, and then 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Okay, as you can see, 17 does not equal 21, right? So this is an imbalanced equation, which means this puzzle piece does not fit. So r equals 4 is not a solution. Okay guys, so there's your basic introduction into determining if a number is a solution of an equation. I hope it made sense. If it did, definitely leave a thumbs up. And if you still got questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try and help you out. There's a pre-algebra playlist attached at the end of the video if you need to check anything else out, so definitely check it out, and I'll see you there.